And we're off.
Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. And do you want to come with us? Do you want to know where we're going? Go on, pack your bags. I did. We're on a road trip.
And we're off.
Oh, well, I think of it, I've asked you to come on our ride, but I'd also like you to subscribe to my channel. Now, wouldn't that be fun? Before travelling, we always check out the route we want to take. Now, we did stick to the highway from our home to Eindhoven, but after that we just took the B roads. So much nicer, the countryside and just the lovely wee spots that you can stop and stretch your legs. But once we arrived at our destination, it was mind-bogglingly beautiful. And what a stunning day it has been. We had a lovely drive, avoiding highways, and arrived at our first destination where the owner of this cute little cottage was waiting for us. I'll show you the inside in a minute. It was just an absolutely brilliant day where you can see the sky, blue sky, few wisps, clouds just there, nothing particular. Won't do us any harm. And here we now are with cows as neighbours, not that I can see them at the moment, and lots of green pasture and blue sky. So, just lovely. What a great way to start. Now, I'll try and walk down the steps without falling down. It's a wee bit uneven ground here, but that's all right. Hold on to the pole and the post. There we go. And here is Sir Galahad waiting for his cold beer. But I'll just go inside first and just show you how lovely. It's really small, but big enough for two. Now that's for when the colder weather hits, but it's not, certainly we won't need it now. Here are our two beds. We've been told we can just put them together, but you know, we're on holiday, remember? And here's the kitchen. Everything that you need and more than. All the mod cons, all the extra. Got a double plate cooker, got the microwave, toaster, coffee machine, kettle, obviously a sink with running water, double sink even, and the fridge, freezer, it's on but there's nothing in it. And the fridge with all our goodies out of our empty fridge from home. And within about another 3 paces, here is a totally complete, beautifully clean, serviceable bathroom. Shower, toilet, hand basin, even A mirrored cupboard. Yes, it is luxury. It may be small, but we actually quite like that. Look at that view. That's from the bathroom window. So as you can imagine, yes, I've still got my sunglasses on. So as you can imagine, we're happy with Larry. We're all unpacked and ready to have a cold beer. Yes, we are. Well, after that drive, we both quite ready for a cold beer. I will let you know though, it is 0 alcohol and very thirst quenching. My one is a lemon flavoured Amstel. Still got a few peanuts left out of our container at home, so brought that. And it's time to crack the can open. And what a view. What an absolutely beautiful view. Ooh, that looks inviting. Oh, I'm so ready for this. Now that went down well. Right, see you tomorrow. This is our first morning waking up here in this absolutely beautiful piece of the world. Got the cows here as our neighbours. Can't get more rural than that, can you? Isn't this just glorious? Just lovely. This is lovely vegetable garden. It's only small, like everything here, but I'm free to use the vegetables at will. Oh, just lovely. And I will, you know, there's all sorts. There's chives. Oh, just lovely. And the beetroot is gloriously big. I shall enjoy cooking that. And the flowers, I might just have to make a filling for those. Just look at all this glory. I'm not talking, it's really early. It seems silly to talk loud. And here, look, there's more greens and more reds. And a Christmas tree. You just love it. Have a look at that. Oh, there we are. Beautiful with the dew. There's some drops on the leaves and the grass is obviously heavy dewed. And the cows are out in the morning sun having a graze. How lovely. Good morning. Good morning. What a lovely morning. You're out early? Wow. Hello. Well, I don't know about you, but you know, looking at maps and things, sometimes I get more confused than before I looked. But anyway, I try and give you an idea of what the next few days are going to bring us. Over the next few days, we hope to visit a few really special places. Now have a look. All those squiggle lines, that purple, that's France, and above it is Belgium. And we just drove from the Netherlands into Belgium and crossed the border to France. And we're only just a tad across the border because we drove, our last Belgian place was Bouillon. And then we crossed the border and we're here somewhere. So our host from the B&B pointed out a few special places that we can visit. He suggested this cathedral and says that, well, it's a basilic, and this citadel. So we just thought we might just do that because it's all reasonably close. And then we are going to, let's have a look, can I find it? Ah, yes, and that's easier to find on the other map. The Abbey d'Orval. So, yeah, and apparently, well, we're here in this area here, Carrigan along here is where all the supermarkets and shops are, should we need them. So that's what we hopefully will do. And apart from that, all we're going to do is relax. It is just gone 10 o'clock. We're not in a hurry. We're just going to take it easy in the morning, enjoy the sunshine outside with a coffee and a book or whatever, and I'll update the photos, and then we'll slowly mosey on out. So we're not planning to fill our days from 7 till 7. We're on holiday. It's time to relax.